Now we have our next little master, Raghunandan. Good afternoon to everyone. Isn't it very scorching outside? It's also very sweating. Today, did you eat mangoes? Anyone? Okay, I didn't get a taste of it, but I'll eat mangoes. Okay, I am fully dressed in black and it's connected with corruption. I got the topic corrupted atmosphere. First of all, what is corruption? Corruption, when used as an adjective, it literally means utterly broken. Now, it was first used by a Greek mathematician, Aristotle, and later it was used by Cicero. Corruption also means that the illegitimate use of public power to benefit the private interest. There are two types of corruption, you can see that. The petty corruption and the other is grand corruption. First, I'll tell you what is petty corruption. The corruption which occurs in small favors between a small number of people is known as petty corruption. I'll give you an example for this. A policeman catches a biker going at a high speed. He begins to find that biker. That time, the biker takes out some money and hands it to the policeman. The policeman gladly takes the money and keeps it inside his pocket and goes away. This is known as petty corruption. After telling you this example, it's making me to tell one quote. Money will soothe the itching palm. This is the quote. And this is also known as the petty corruption. Now, we move on to grand corruption. The corruption which affects the government in a large scale is known as grand corruption. It's also an organized crime. Black money comes under rotation with corruption. Some examples of this are 2G scam, coal scam, etc. Anna Hazare was once a gentleman who fought against depositing black money in Swiss banks, etc. I would like to end my speech with a small poem. Man is the only social animal who is infected with the virus of corruption. Greed is its roots, narrow thinking is its branches, cruelty is its trunk, money is its food. You can imagine what will be the product of corruption. Many of the persons flamboyantly go towards corruption, but we all should be against it. So we have to prepare an antivirus to stop corruption. Thank you. Say no to corruption.